Hey guys, this is your artist TolgArt, and before we start, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Let's reach 200 and 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. That would be huge. And also, turn on the notification. I will upload 2 to 3 videos a week for the next few months, so don't miss anything. So today, we are gonna do a little challenge. We will draw the new form of Toppo with just one pen. No pencil, no eraser, no colors, just one pen. I did a few pencil drawings before, so I said to myself an inking drawing would look good as well. It's also something which I have never done. So I will use the pen from Faber-Castell 0.05 millimeters. But you don't have to use the same, just pick one you have at home. This is my first try, I didn't warm up or anything, so let's see how it will look like. Let's go! And here it is, guys. We mastered the challenge. I really like the veins and the rocks flying around. It gives the drawing a powerful look. I'm really happy with it. And would you like to see more challenges like this? If yes, write that down below. And also comment what you would like to see next. It's nice to get some new inspiration from my subscribers. And if you would like to know what I'm working on at the moment, check me out on Instagram and Snapchat. All the informations are in the description box below. That's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this little drawing right here. I see you in a few days with a new video. Until then, stay healthy, be a good person, work on yourself, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.